Some servers already run their own web server, nginx, Apache, or Traefik. Attaching a domain there works a little differently. This Traefik server already hosts a small site, Meridian, reachable only by the server's IP. No domain yet, so Traefik lists it as a plain worker, not a website. I'll give it a real domain with HTTPS, served straight from Traefik, no migration. I open the domain wizard from the Actions menu. Server Manager sees this server runs Traefik, not Caddy, and they can't share ports 80 and 443. So it offers two paths. Option 1 migrates to Caddy. Option 2 keeps Traefik with Faro. I take option 2. Meridian isn't listed yet, so I choose My Site Isn't Listed, pick its container C1B demo, and ask Faro to set it up. Faro asks the domain, meridian.samplewebsite.xyz, then lists the DNS record, the Traefik labels, and the Let's Encrypt resolver. At my DNS provider, here, Cloudflare, I add a new A record. The name is Meridian, the value is my server's IP address, and I switch the proxy off so it stays DNS only, then I save it. Back in Server Manager, I reply that DNS is done. Faro waits for it to resolve, then recreates the container with the Traefik HTTPS labels. I approve. Traefik requests the certificate from Let's Encrypt, and moments later the site is live over HTTPS. Back on the dashboard, Meridian now shows as a real website with its secure link, still on Traefik. nginx and Apache follow the same pattern with certbot. Or, to move everything onto Caddy, there's a separate guided migration.